Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being standing. And the inspiration for this piece will be coming from the cutest little stander I have ever seen, and that is coming from my little Leia here. So, are you ready to get into this painting? Because I sure am. So coming into this piece, I really wanted to make a piece that really resembled my little wiener dog Leia doing her little power stance, which I will show right now. And I absolutely love when she does this. And when the word ended up being standing, I knew in the end I had to do a drawing of her doing it. This piece was a lot of fun to make, and I really loved the color palette to choose from to make her. She has a pink collar and harness and everything, so I knew I would have to go with purples and pinks for the final colors. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of this piece, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word standing. I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. And don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!